In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Asana tasks directly from Outlook. First, open Outlook. You can do this in the desktop app or in your browser. Both support add-ins. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to use Asana. If you're on a work or school account and don't see the options I mentioned, that's usually because add-ins are managed by your organization. So just proceed with what's available on your screen. Next, head to the add-ins or integrations area. In the desktop app, look along the home ribbon for a button labeled Get Add-ins or Add-ins. In Outlook on the web, you'll typically find add-ins from the Overflow or Settings menu. The goal is simply to open Microsoft's add-ins window so you can browse the available integrations. Once you're in the add-ins window, use the search bar and type Asana. Look for the official Asana add-in. Before installing, it's a good idea to check the listing details to confirm it's the legitimate integration and that it supports your version of Outlook. Go ahead and install it. When it's added, Outlook will show an Asana icon in your message view. The first time you use it, you'll be prompted to connect to your Asana account. Click to sign in, authorize the connection, and choose the correct workspace or organization if you have more than one. This one-time setup allows Outlook to send task details directly into your Asana projects. Now open any email you want to turn into a task. Click the Asana icon to launch the add-in. You'll see fields for the task name, which usually pulls in the email subject, and options to choose the project assignee and due date. Add any necessary context in the description. Most add-ins let you include the email body automatically, which is great for preserving details. If your message has attachments or links that matter, include them so your teammates have everything they need. Double check you've selected the right project and workspace so the task lands where you expect, then create the task. Finally, switch over to Asana to confirm it was added correctly. Open the project you selected and look for the new task. Make sure the title, description, assignee, due date, and any attachments are in place. If you don't see it immediately, refresh Asana or check My Tasks for your assigned items. Verifying this once saves time later and ensures your email to task workflow is solid. That's it. You've connected Outlook to Asana, created a task from an email, and confirmed it in Asana. This setup helps you capture action items quickly and keep your inbox and projects in sync.